Hey everybody, what's up? This is Imran from the Biker Crew UAE. Thanks for joining me, and today is part 5 of our track bike build. Yeah, I know, we took a bit of a hiatus, but we're back! Now, where have we been so far? Well, we've kind of mocked up the whole bike, but there was a little bit of a problem with one of the U-shaped pipes at the bottom of the engine, and we needed to get that sorted as well as build the spacers. So that's what we're doing today. Enjoy. Previously on Road to Track, the rebirth of a legend.
Lot of crap with the radiator. It picks it up. Sometimes it is, sometimes. I mean, it may be called something different, but it's basically exactly the same thing. But for the summer, it might be worth getting some of that. We can just pop some out, and all you do is just drain a tiny bit of fluid out, suck some out the top, whatever, and you put like. Right, and before you tighten that up, just stop a second, back that off just a tiny bit. I just want to check, what I'm checking here is that we're doing up on the spacer and not the bracket onto the chassis, because obviously that's what holds your engine in. So we should be alright, because there might be a little residue oil, but not too much.
Can we do something in the meantime?
I don't know. What else needs doing? Bearings? It's really tight. Might have to dump the coolant out, which is going to be rather annoying. Take this joint off.
Oh, you got spare, so.
Well, yeah, well, just use the same stuff, just drain it out, put it back in. And this one's brand new. Jeez.
You have a longer one?
Yeah, there's a few on the shelf. Probably best bet for us if you grab the sockets, give the socket set. So at the top, on this first board at the top in the centre, there's a load of them. There's Torx and Allen keys.
And then,
Here. There you go. Probably quarter inch. Yeah. It's blocked if you want.
yeah, at least check the other one.
Yeah.
Oh, but these are nice clothes.
Yeah, not too bad. I don't like the vinyl ones. I think we're going to have to drain the coolant, get that pipe out of the way properly. Actually, I wonder if there's enough. Let's pop that out. Is that one alright?
That's good too.
Well, I think that top one's super tight, almost like it's cross-threaded or yeah, I might get on there. Might be easy with extension. I'm hoping this is too much lock take.
Yeah, I can see some red.
Yeah. Oh, that's better.
hissing.
That's right, we got more. I think we've got a bottle and a half left over there somewhere.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, we've got plenty left, it's fine.
Let me stop it.
It is. No! Precious clean oil. It will stop leaking out now.
You can bring it back in.
That'll be the main oil way that goes up to the head stem. It's just emptied itself.
Trash.
Just that big box over there. They look right, don't they?
Yeah. Lube it a bit in oil.
Yes.
These is the new ones.
They're the new ones.
I mean, this is.
Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. Yeah. Weird, I can't see any deformities in these at all.
Well, maybe try to clean up this stuff.
I will do. I want to try and clean them. Maybe there's a little bit something on the seat.
Do you know what I'm gonna do?
What's that?
Yeah. Every flight I have, take a whole bunch of the gloves.
Guess what I'm doing?
You stay very quiet during all this, isn't it?
Just bring it over and say, oh, by the way, look what I found in my bag.
It made us half salary. I mean, fuck you.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, and with the rolls on unpaid leave, we may as well get something out.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I'll start collecting gloves.
Right, that's going to come out and drain as much as it drains. I want to clean that out. It's more important.
Mountain Dew.
Yeah. Changes colour when it's warm.
Yeah. So it's sealing against this.
Yeah, it's the vertical face, not the horizontal face.
It looks alright.
That one does as well. I'm not going to clean that one. It's washing itself out. Let's get it in there and stop the oil from pissing everywhere, shall we? I couldn't see anything there. You looking in that? Yeah. They look clean.
Maybe the top one has a little bit of dirt on the floor.
Get in there.
Yeah.
Quite good?
Yeah. Totally is nothing. So what's this? It's just a connection, yeah?
Yeah. Why they couldn't do it internally, I did never know, but I guess there was a reason for it.
There was one Italian engineer.
It might be a way that you can put a pressure gauge on there and test oil pressure.
Should be.
You might be right about the Italian guy. He built the whole thing and then figured, I forgot to put it is. It's not right, we put outside.
Put a tiny bit of Loctite on there, not a lot. Right, go for it, man.
How did you from here? Huh?
Yeah, from inside.
Just wanna make sure I'm not gonna catch the.
You get it in there? Is that a bit easier? Yeah, looks like. It's good. Hopefully it'll be quite tight getting back in. You can always do it with the bolts and just pull it in evenly. Yeah.
4 hands, 1
Yeah, I know, right?
Don't dump
5
it.
hands.
Don't dump it in the oil.
Yeah. You know something's going to go clunk.
Usually it's happening.
Now watch how fast we all jump backwards.
At least it's clean and there's only oil. Right.
It's not tight, I just
Well, it doesn't need to be that tight. I mean, it's not holding anything bar stopping the pipe as a retainer for the pipe, hey? There we go. It's got a bit of Loctite on it. Yeah, good.
turn it off and that's it. That was easy. Somebody mucked around anyway.
Yeah, you can see something's been done to it at some point, hey?
Everywhere actually, even here, all the way around. It was open for sure.
Yeah, I really wish Ralph had decided to sell his earlier.
He is. Well, he is now. Doesn't help you anymore though, does it?
Still try to sell this. Make business.
Well, Ralph's is actually quite a nice one because it's stock and it's very low mileage.
Yeah?
Yeah. I mean, he threw it up the road once, very gently.
Yeah, in front of me.
Yeah.
So I actually have
Broke a
seen
clip
it.
on. I don't think he wants too much money for it either.
What
How
year
much
is
does he
it?
want for it?
I think it's a 11? 9 or 11?
It's good for a tractor.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's the right year for what we're doing.
Since we have this.
Yeah.
It bothers me.
This is the thing, you bring him along, that's a little bit, that'd be fine. Tell you what, we're going to have a cup of tea. We'll leave you here.
No. That's not how it works. You're gonna collect me then the day after tomorrow.
Yeah.
It'll be like James May and the thing. Think about it, you'll be here the
Well,
whole night, cleaning everything, buy you a bag of chips.
There's an orange one somewhere.
Oh, Philip would be so happy with that.
I know, right?
Probably thinking right now something perfect just.
Something good, just something German just happened. No, it's true.
Well, that makes it the end of part 5. There's still a lot of work to be done on this bike, so stay tuned. And thanks for watching. As always, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road.